Alright, so nandito na tayo sa Hong Kong. Lalabas lang natin ng airport at start na ng city tour. Ayan, so kita na natin yung mga ito yung maganda sa Hong Kong eh. May mga bundok, tapos may mga high-rise. Ito yung magandang bridge nila, yung dinadaanan natin ngayon. Bus number lang, hindi nyo ma-memorize. Nandito na po tayo. Available na po ang agribusiness merch sa Shopee. Ang link nasa description box. Dito tayo. Ayan. Ayan.
Okay, ready? Wow, nice.
Ano tawag dito? So ito na po yung Victoria Peak. Mother. Ayan. Ito yung tahanan ni Mother for 18 years bago siya pumunta ng Amerika.
Okay, ready? Wow, nice.
Ayan, Mother. Dito na kami.
Okay, so go ahead, coffee.
Kuchinita. Kuchinita talaga rito.
Wow, nice. Yay. Madam.
ODTD si Madam. Ganyan talaga ang group
Pero
tour.
hindi naman na susunod yun eh. Yung mga degree.
Pag group tour, lagi ka nagmamadali.
Okay.
Ito. Maganda to. Yan. Dito. Wow. Oh, itong wow. Oh, wala nang gaganda rito. Ito po yung isa sa pinakamagandang site dito sa Hong Kong, itong Victoria Peak. Ito maganda oh, may ganyan pa siya. Oh. Yes. Ayan. Sige, ma'am. Apo.
Sige po, isend na lang sa group.
Ma'am, ma'am, tingin ka doon konti. Doon, yeah, yung katawan, ma'am, doon. Ma'am, yung katawan, ayan, tapos yung mukha lang dito, ma'am. Yan. Okay, ready? 1, 2.
Bayad dyan, Diyos.
1, 2.
Thank you po.
Tapos yung isa mo.
Kaya talaga. Ay, thank you.
Lapit, yan. Lapit pa, Cochinita game. Up next, hindi ko alam saan tayo pupunta, pero puro highlight kasi one day lang tayo dito sa Hong Kong. Proceed tayo kagad sa China. Ganda na. Super ganda ng Hong Kong. Ang ganda kasi yung mga nagko-combine yung city at saka yung mga hills, mga bundok. O Mother, familiar ka pa ba sa mga lugar na to? Maraming nagbago, no? So ito yung kanina ko pang sinasabi na harbor. Ito yun. Ito yung famous nila. Dito yung parang walk of fame nila. Tara, punta natin, tingnan natin. One more.
Ready? Wow, good. Try. Sige.
Ready? 1, 2.
Wow, nice.
Yan. Ito yung pinakamagandang part. Ganda, no? Ang ganda ng ano, ang ganda ng sky. After 2 destination dito sa Hong Kong, dito naman tayo magla-lunch.
Shopping tayo.
Ay, shop muna. Magla-lunch, i-ready pa yung ano, ready pa yung dining.
Welcome. Magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga.
Gutom na. I see your face. I know what you want. Enjoy. Inside got the Mad Lab T-shirt. You can go inside, take the look.
All right, can you tour us to your store?
Oh, we just like the market style. Yeah, we know how. Mom, it's my fault. I give you the basket. Enjoy your honeymoon. This one.
All right.
I don't think so. Mom, enjoy. You can make anything.
You have tea?
Tea, yes. Oh, you're so smart. We have the famous jasmine tea in Hong Kong, Chinese tea. This is jasmine.
Jasmine.
This is Tea Kuan Yam. Represent Hong Kong.
So meron naman na ako nito. Ito siguro. They have the counterpart of Earl Grey. Counterpart,
Sorry,
no.
because Earl Grey is not Hong Kong.
Oh.
Hong Kong only got two. If I buy link, this is no good. Hong Kong good for jasmine and Tea Kuan Yam only. Earl Grey actually is from Great British.
Oh, I
Yeah, we
see.
only buy the best and cheap in here only.
Oh, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Lapsang. Sok Hong.
Mr. Guapo, I give you the basket.
You're so good in selling, huh?
No, because we just do the honest business, you know. Honest is the best seller, you know. Enjoy. But Mr. Guapo, you buy one is Maha, Dalawa is Mula. Because one is 120, two is 200.
No, it's okay.
Up to you. No problem.
Mr. Guapo, you have credit card, no?
Yes, we accept
you have
any kind of payment.
All right.
A credit card or the debit card, or if you want to exchange your money, you can exchange from your tour guide.
All right.
Yeah, we accept any kind of currency.
Thank you. Ano yan? Masarap yan, ma'am. Try natin yung parang okoy. Grilled shrimp.
Many, no problem. Masala.
What's this?
A cookie, almond cookie. Try good item. Masala. You maybe masala. Almond cookie. Try.
Gaganda. Totoo ba to na Jade? Mabigat.
Inside is the t-shirt,
Totoo.
Totoo ba yan? Synthetic. Feeling ko synthetic. Oo nga.
Fish skin.
Mm.
Yeah, ito.
Grilled shrimp.
Ano, Daddy?
Masala.
Grilled shrimp. Let's go.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now the German the GDP in the world number 2 after USA, but education still weak. Due to 70% to 80% people, there are no communication, no language. And yeah. So God will help you. And then the second one, because some of friends are first time to here. But now in this season is the lychee and plum season. Yes, right. Yeah. Welcome to Shenzhen. Huh? Yes.
lang, yung parang siniguanan.
Just kasama liwanag.
Chinese people like to eat and drink because when we went to some new country, we prefer to try the special dishes from the local the country. We like to try some special snacks from the local country. It's like the people, we go to Philippines, we buy a lot of like the banana chips, the coconut, So this is our culture. Chinese people like eating and drinking. We always say, if you want to take a good sleep, please don't go anywhere. Just stay in your home.
大鲜麦9.9一杯，地瓜汁，好吃的烤肠，脆皮烤肠。电大橙汁，电大鲜麦9.9一杯，地瓜汁，好吃的烤肠，脆皮烤肠。电大橙汁，电大鲜麦9.9一杯，地瓜汁，好吃的烤肠，脆皮烤
Parang
肠
wala.。Parang pure
电大橙汁，电大鲜麦9.9一杯，地瓜汁，好吃的烤肠，脆皮烤肠。电大橙汁，电大鲜麦9.9一杯，
Bagong
地瓜汁，好吃的烤肠，脆
green na
皮
green
烤
pa,
肠。电大橙汁，电大鲜麦9.9一杯，地瓜汁，好吃的烤肠。
Daddy, need ng straw, Daddy.
好吃的烤肠，脆皮烤肠。电大橙汁。
Can I have one? Yummy. Tikman natin. Saan na nila sa kusina?
So ano lang to? 3 times 8 pesos is, wow, cheap. Lasang?
Rice cake.
Rice stick. Hindi hindi siya karne. Hindi karne.
Tamis?
Parang kakanin. Parang kakanin.
Bili ka na kasi tara na. Daddy, pwede.
冰冻2粉矿泉水，
Wow, gulaman.
Choose?
冰冻2粉矿泉水，粉矿泉水。
Pili daw.
Sabi sa'yo eh.
冰冻2粉矿泉
You
水，
tell me. Best seller.
冰冻2粉矿泉水，
Ay, ito yung gusto
冰
mo,
冻
diba?
2粉矿泉水，冰冻2粉矿泉水，冰冻2粉矿泉水。
Ang dami yung mabibili sa 100. Ito po yung park nila. So, dito pa rin tayo sa Shenzhen. So, may mga pagkain na nagbebenta rito. Sobrang cheap lang.
冰冻2粉矿泉水，冰冻2粉。
Hindi ko ma-explain. Hindi siya karne.
Eh ano?
Parang flour.
So, titikman.
Sobrang
Labas mo.
init. Ay, lasa na. Sobra?
Parang gulaman. Black gulaman. Okay, let's go.
Hindi ko gusto.
Yan yung
alis na. Parang flour na lasang hotdog. Parang fishball.
ganon.
May specific pa eh. Mas specific pa sa fishball. Parang nga siyang flour na chicken hotdog. Oo nga. Parang naman naghalong hotdogs at fishball.
Ang ganda rito. Buhay na buhay yung mga ilaw, yung mga restaurant. Ang ganda. Sobrang authentic Chinese.
tables. 3 tables. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Yeah, 3 tables. Yeah. Stop table. Enjoy yourself.
Gusto niyo ito, guys? Tofu. Ay.
So ito pa yung hotel natin for tonight. Ang ganda. Available na po ang Agribusiness merch sa Shopee. Ang link nasa description box. Agribusiness, how it works. Instruct, inspire, succeed.